So the video processing team is a really key team. And this is a perfect example why, because you wouldn't know that I was looking for anybody for video processing team or any of these other teams that I'm creating videos for without me communicating it to you in some way. And right now we don't really have structures that allow a lot of this type of communication in really convenient ways, and that's why we've built the systems the way that I have. And that allows us now to be able to take a lot of these videos, and especially as our AI gets more sophisticated, our AI processing, which will happen relatively fast. But in the meantime, we need manual people that can take these types of videos and tag them and edit, chop them up, and do all the types of processing that needs to be done to be able to essentially categorize the thoughts as they're coming out of my mouth and have ways to cross-reference past thoughts by me and by others in the same area, the same tags, all of that sort of thing. So that's the processing that's going to, again, start initially manually, but very quickly we'll have very sophisticated artificial intelligence tools that will allow us to just speak and have our artificial intelligence listening and it processing, the thoughts that we're talking about in that moment, and then showing us on our screen all of the data that we can want to know about, where other people went with those thoughts and all of those sorts of things. So in that space that we're creating the ability to have, all of this processing, all of this time that we are talking now is captured and processed and put out there in a way that we can that others can consume it, and we can be. I'm not going to go into all of those other areas right now, other than to say the video processing team is a really important team early on, because the more that I can get out and get processed right now, the faster we can build all of this out, because it's just a matter, and these are the tools that you'll have as quickly as we can build out the system, which is exactly why we need people just to support the build out of the system really quickly, so we can all be using these tools to speak into existence what we want, and then have other people show up and add their thoughts and add their resources and add their strategy and create results as a collective. So that's what we'll be doing, and the video processing people that are working on video processing are absolutely essential to our reality building.